Did you know that the same problem that contributes to type 2 diabetes could also be silently stealing your memories? Today, we're diving into an intriguing yet alarming connection that could reshape how you think about your brain health. The link between insulin resistance and dementia. Welcome to Levitas. The brain is the command center of your body, orchestrating everything from your heartbeat to your thoughts. It's where your memories are stored, your emotions are processed, and your decisions are made. Without a healthy brain, our ability to think, remember, and even interact with the world around us would be severely compromised. But the brain isn't just important for mental tasks. It's also crucial for maintaining overall health. The brain communicates with every part of the body, regulating essential functions like breathing, digestion, and hormone production. A well-functioning brain ensures that all these processes run smoothly, allowing us to live healthy lives. That's why protecting your brain health should be a top priority. Also, the brain is an energy-hungry organ, consuming about 20% of the body's total energy. The primary fuel for the brain is glucose, a type of sugar that comes from the carbohydrates we eat. Glucose is critical because it provides the quick energy needed for neurons to communicate effectively. Without enough glucose, the brain may struggle to function, leading to issues like brain fog, fatigue, and even confusion. However, the brain also has a backup fuel source, ketones. They are produced when the body breaks down fats, particularly during periods of low carbohydrate intake, like fasting or a ketogenic diet. Ketones provide a more stable and efficient energy source for the brain. This dual fuel system allows the brain to adapt to different dietary conditions, ensuring that it always has the energy it needs to function. Next up, insulin resistance is a condition when the cells of your body become less responsive to insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. When insulin resistance develops, your body struggles to move glucose from the bloodstream into the cells, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. This condition is a hallmark of type 2 diabetes, but it doesn't just affect your body, it can also impact your brain. In the brain, insulin plays a crucial role in promoting neuron growth, protecting against oxidative stress, and regulating neurotransmitters that affect mood and cognition. When the brain becomes insulin resistant, it loses its ability to use glucose efficiently, leading to energy deficits. Over time, this can damage brain cells, disrupt communication between neurons, and contribute to the development of cognitive impairments like memory loss, confusion, setting the stage for conditions like Alzheimer's disease. The good news is that insulin resistance isn't a one-way street. Research indicates that reversing insulin resistance could help protect the brain and potentially prevent cognitive decline. By improving insulin sensitivity, the brain can once again effectively use glucose, restoring its energy balance and supporting healthy cognitive function. Strategies to reverse insulin resistance include dietary changes, regular physical activity, weight loss, and potentially medications. These interventions not only improve blood sugar control but also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors in the development of neurodegenerative diseases. By addressing insulin resistance early, you will be able to preserve your brain health and reduce your risk of dementia. Continuing, the term type 3 diabetes is a term that has been proposed to describe Alzheimer's disease, reflecting the idea that this neurodegenerative condition is closely linked to insulin resistance in the brain. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by the accumulation of amyloid plaques and tau tangles, which disrupt normal brain function. However, emerging research suggests that these hallmark features may be driven by impaired insulin signaling in the brain. In individuals with type 3 diabetes, the brain's ability to metabolize glucose is significantly impaired, leading to energy deficits that contribute to cognitive decline. This insulin resistance in the brain not only exacerbates the buildup of toxic proteins, but also promotes inflammation and oxidative stress, further damaging neurons. As a result, people with type 2 diabetes are at a higher risk of developing Alzheimer's disease compared to those with normal insulin sensitivity. Type 3 diabetes underscores the critical connection between insulin resistance and neurodegenerative diseases. Understanding this link opens up new ways for preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease by focusing on metabolic health. For example, actions that improve insulin sensitivity, like a healthy diet, regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management, could potentially slow or prevent the progression of cognitive decline in at-risk individuals. Interestingly, ketones may offer a glimmer of hope for those dealing with dementia. Since the brain struggles to use glucose effectively in the context of insulin resistance, Ketones can provide an alternative energy source that the brain can readily utilize. Studies have shown that ketones not only fuel the brain, but also have neuroprotective effects, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. A healthy ketogenic diet, which increases ketone production, has been found to improve cognitive function in individuals with mild cognitive impairment or early-stage Alzheimer's disease. By shifting the brain's fuel source from glucose to ketones, you can bypass the insulin resistance problem and restore some degree of cognitive function. If you're interested in harnessing the power of ketones for brain health, there are several ways to increase ketone production in your body. One of the most effective methods is adopting a ketogenic diet, which is high in proteins, healthy fats, and low in carbohydrates. By drastically reducing your carb intake, your body is forced to switch from using glucose as its primary fuel to using fats, which are then converted into ketones in the liver. Another way to boost ketone production is through intermittent fasting. Fasting periods, typically ranging from 16 to 24 hours, deplete the body's glucose stores, prompting the liver to produce ketones from fat. This approach not only increases ketone levels, but also promotes other health benefits, such as improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. For those who find these dietary changes challenging, there are also exogenous ketone supplements available. These supplements provide a direct source of ketones, allowing you to increase your ketone levels without having to follow a strict diet. However, it's important to note that while supplements may help to a certain degree, they don't offer the same long-term benefits as dietary and lifestyle changes. In conclusion, the brain is the cornerstone of our overall health, orchestrating both mental and physical functions that sustain life. Its importance extends far beyond cognitive tasks like thinking and memory. It also regulates essential bodily processes such as breathing, digestion, and hormone production, making it crucial for maintaining optimal balance. Ensuring that the brain receives the right fuel, glucose, or ketones, supports its high energy demands, safeguarding its ability to perform optimally. However, insulin resistance poses a significant threat to brain health by impairing glucose utilization, which can lead to cognitive decline and potentially contribute to the development of Alzheimer's disease, often referred to as type 3 diabetes. Reversing insulin resistance through diet, exercise, and other interventions can restore the brain's energy balance, offering protection against neurodegenerative conditions. Ketones, an alternative fuel source, show promise in improving brain function in the context of dementia by bypassing the insulin resistance problem. Producing ketones combining a ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting can provide the brain with a stable energy source, potentially mitigating cognitive decline and supporting long-term brain health. Also, supplements may help when necessary. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.